Mr. Elan. Today we have our guest as Elan Sasson here, and we will be discussing in topics. So, Mr. Elan, would you be able to introduce yourself to our audience?
Sure, no problem. So my name is Elan. I'm one of the co-founder of DSG Data Science Group, a company based in Tel Aviv with offices in Australia and also in the United States. I'm the CEO. The company basically has been developing an AI, ERM, Enterprise Risk Management, and GRC platform. So as for myself, I'm a long-time high-tech entrepreneur. I'm also a PhD in AI, and I lecture at Tel Aviv University graduate students AI courses.
Thank you so much for sharing. So what topic would you like to discuss with us today?
So I think the EUA Act is something that very hyped nowadays. Actually, we have been monitoring in this space of the AI regulation since the first draft of the EUA Act was, I think, April 2021. So I think the whole framework that we build is very much geared toward the regulation, but also technical standardization. So we're also looking at SC42 and other standards such as coming from Europe or coming from the United States, such as NIST. And the whole idea is to provide enterprises with one solution that can help with enterprise risk management, also with, I would say, regulatory issues, but also some technical and standard issues, how to build trusted AI applications.
Actually, indeed, AI, especially in this coming up times, is very, trending topic. But there's a lot to talk about it as well. So, what would be some key things that you can, share related to this?
Okay, sure. So first of all, we support a process, and I think it's very important to mention there is a process. It's not just a tool or a framework, technological framework, but also a methodology that we support is about assessment, actually self-assessment, or another term maybe auditing, mitigation and monitoring. And let me go through this process. First of all, we believe that the organization should go through a process of self-assessment, actually looking at their from two perspectives, from the organization level and also from the specific AI model, and see what kind of risk. So the whole idea is to actually categorize and identify all the risk. Based on that, come with a mitigation plan, how to remedy those risks. So this is actionable plan. And then once you do that and you level up the organization to a certain risk threshold that is acceptable by you, then you actually use the other component, which is online monitoring and observability tool that automatically and autonomously actually monitor your AI environment from engineering perspective, from AI perspective, but also from regulation perspective. So that's the process I think that company should take in the light of the coming EUA Act and other, I believe, other regulation. And I also believe that there is a huge political momentum that to establish a transatlantic foundation, global one, also between EU and the United States, because it will be unrealistic to expect from companies to comply or follow two different set of rules. So I believe that based on the Brussels effect, it will be probably one major standard with some minor and localized modifications. But at the end of the road, I think they will be similarly to GDPR.
Thank you so much. And following up from that question, you said it's a whole process, and of course it will take a while for the organizations to essentially establish it. But if our audience listening right now could, take an actionable step right now when they go to work tomorrow, what should they be prioritizing?
Sure. So let's go back to the GDPR. When it comes to the GDPR, your best companion was a lawyer. Now, when it comes to EU Act and AI regulation, your best companion is technology and AI experts.
Yes. Thank you so much. Do you have anything else to add, like any last words?
Sure. The AI landscape is moving very fast. So nowadays we are more historically a company build, I would say, traditional machine learning and AI applications such as supervised learning, prediction, and so on. Now we see more and more generative AI application in enterprise setting. And I think the next frontier will be intelligent agent, which is it's going to be the risk there is nowadays it's hard to imagine and definitely very hard to manage. So there is a lot of work to do.
Yes. Thank you so much. That was all for today. So thank you again for joining us today, Mr. Elan. So yeah, thank you.